Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to go ahead and take a look at how we find the length of a set. Basically, what or how many objects are contained in the set. That's what we're looking for, and how we find it. We've seen this with lists and tuples so far, so let's get started. A is going to represent our set, and our set's going to go all the way up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, there's our set. We can call our set. And we just pass the length built-in function on the set, and we got 5 objects contained in our set data type. So let's go ahead and take a look at another example. So B is equal to set, and then we're going to pass in Mississippi, MISSISSIPPI. There we go. And now we're going to go ahead and call length on that set. We got 4. We got 4 objects. And why do we have 4 objects? Well, if we call B, now we got MPSI as our set. Remember, sets remove duplicate objects. So if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Have a nice day.